guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Bliss. I'm gonna be creating this look which is very simple yet easy and take few minutes of yours, and this look is for those who don't like doing makeup in everyday basis. So without any further ado, let's get started.
I will be moisturizing my skin first, and for that I'll be using Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. It is very important to apply moisturizer before starting up your makeup. Now I'm gonna conceal my under eye area. You can skip this step, but my dark circles are quite pathetic, and I'll be using A1 concealer in the shade light medium. And now I'm gonna blend my concealer with the beauty blender so that it doesn't look cakey. Now I'll be using Wet n Wild Cover All Compact Powder in the shade light. As this is very natural look, so any sort of CC cream, BB cream or foundation doesn't require. And for contour, I'll be using Estee Lauder Soft Matte Bronzer in the shade Bronze Goddess. You can also skip this step, but I like more chiseled look. So I'll be contouring hollows of my cheeks, my chin area to hide my double chin, forehead, as well as nose. I'll be using same bronzer for my transition shade, and I'm gonna blend it out on my both eyes. And for lid area, I will be using Essence blush in the shade Autumn Peach. I will be softly apply this shade onto my lid area. Now I'm gonna blend it all so that there is no harsh edges popping out. I'll be using Wet n Wild blush in the shade Rose Champagne as well as Autumn Peach blush from Essence on the apples of my cheeks. And for eyes, I will be using Bella Voste Intense eyeliner in the shade Grand Rapid. I will be applying it to my lower waterline, and I will be intensifying it a bit. And I will be applying same liner onto my upper lash line so that my small eyes look quite big. And for lashes, I'll be using Essence Plump No Clump Mascara. I'll be using Maybelline Gigi Hadid collection in the shade Lani for my lips.